How to pair Roku Remote without pairing button. Step 1. Make sure your Roku device is powered on and showing the home screen. Step 2. Remove the batteries from your Roku Remote and insert them back in. Step 3. Now press and hold the home button and back button together until the light on the top left corner starts flashing green. This indicates that remote is in pairing mode. Step 4. Within a few seconds, your Roku device should display a message that says remote pairing. And that's it. Your remote should now be paired and ready to use. If for some reason your remote isn't pairing, try these quick fixes. Unplug your Roku device, wait about 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Then try the pairing process again. Make sure you're within range of the Roku device and there aren't any objects blocking the signal. Make sure the batteries in your remote are not dead. Replace them if needed. I hope with these simple steps your Roku remote will start working again. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.